Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead. Do not assume the wall switch is enough. Once the breaker is off, test the fixture with a non-contact voltage tester to confirm 0 volts. While the tester checks, set your ladder under the ceiling light and lay out the new bulb or fixture, screwdriver, wire nuts, and tape within arm's reach. Make sure you're wearing gloves and eye protection. Once ready, climb the ladder and remove the decorative cover or trim to expose the socket and wiring. With the cover off, support the fixture and begin unscrewing mounting screws because fixtures can be heavy and wires short. Once free, lower it enough to see the connections. Take a quick photo so you remember wire placement. Carefully untwist the wire nuts and separate the black hot, white neutral, and bare/green ground wires. Inspect the electrical box and mounting bracket for cracks or loose screws if the box moves or lacks grounding. Stop and replace or secure it before proceeding to the new fixture. Attach the new fixture by matching and twisting wires, black to black, white to white, and connect ground to the metal box or green screw. Once wired, wrap connections with electrical tape and tuck them neatly into the box, then align the fixture on the mounting bracket and tighten all screws until snug. Make sure it's mechanically secure. Reinstall the trim or shade, climb down, and turn the breaker back on. If the light flickers or doesn't turn on, immediately cut power and recheck your wire connections and breaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.